What's up, everyone? It's AI Explained. We're in a world now where AI is everywhere you look, and honestly, that's not a bad thing. Especially when you realize how much easier these tools can make your life. We're talking next-level productivity hacks here, people. So today we're diving deep into 10 AI solutions that are about to become your new best friends at work. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about email. We all get buried in it, right? But imagine an AI that sorts through the clutter and highlights what actually matters. No more wasting time on spam or low-priority stuff. This is like having a personal assistant who knows exactly which emails need your attention first. They can even prioritize messages from your most important contacts. Seriously, this is a game changer for anyone who wants to conquer their inbox. Next, we're tackling the headache of scheduling meetings. We've all been there, stuck in endless email chains, trying to find a time that works for everyone. But with AI-powered scheduling tools, those days are over. These tools integrate with your calendar and can automatically find the best meeting times for everyone involved. They can even send out invites and reschedule appointments if needed. Talk about a time saver. Now let's talk data. It's everywhere, but making sense of it can be a challenge. That's where AI-based data analysis comes in. These tools can analyze massive data sets in seconds, uncovering hidden trends and insights that would take humans hours, days, even weeks to find. We're talking about understanding your customers better, optimizing your marketing campaigns, and making smarter business decisions. All thanks to the power of AI. Chapter 4. Virtual assistants, your new secret weapon. We've all heard of virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa, but they can do so much more than just play music. These AI-powered assistants can handle a ton of routine tasks, freeing up your time to focus on more important things. Think booking flights, setting reminders, making reservations, even managing your to-do list. It's like having a personal assistant, but without the actual person. Chapter 5, Customer Service. AI's got you covered 24/7. Let's be real, nobody likes waiting on hold for customer service. But with AI-driven customer support, those days might be over. We're talking about chatbots that can answer questions, resolve issues, and even process returns, all without any human intervention. This means faster response times, happier customers, and a more efficient support system for your business. It's a win-win situation. Writer's block, AI content generation to the rescue. Creating engaging content can be a real struggle, but AI content generation tools are here to help. These tools can help you generate ideas, write blog posts, even create social media updates. Now, I'm not saying they'll replace human creativity entirely, but they can definitely give you a head start and help you overcome writer's block. Plus, they're getting more sophisticated all the time. Chapter 7. Project Management. Just got a whole lot smarter. Keeping projects on track can feel like a full-time job, but, AI-powered project management tools can make your life a whole lot easier. Imagine having a system that not only organizes your tasks, but also learns from your workflow and adapts to your needs. These tools can help you plan projects, assign tasks, track progress, and even set deadlines with remarkable precision. They can analyze your team's performance and suggest the best ways to allocate resources, and that's not all. These advanced systems can predict potential roadblocks before they even happen, giving you ample time to address issues and keep your project on track. They use data analytics to foresee challenges and offer solutions. They can also help you collaborate with your team more effectively. With real-time updates and shared dashboards, everyone knows what needs to be done and when. This transparency fosters better communication and teamwork, and ensure that everyone is on the same page. No more missed deadlines or forgotten tasks. The software keeps everyone informed and accountable, making sure that every team member is contributing effectively. It's like having a dedicated project manager, but without the added expense. These AI tools can handle multiple projects simultaneously, ensuring that nothing falls through the cracks. They can even provide insights and reports to help you make better decisions. Imagine getting instant notifications on your phone about project updates or receiving a detailed report on your project's progress at the end of the day. These tools are designed to make your life easier and your projects more successful. The future of project management is here, and it's smarter than ever. Embrace these AI-powered tools and watch your productivity soar. Your projects will run smoother, your team will be happier, and you'll have more time to focus on what really matters. Chapter 8. Say goodbye to note-taking AI voice. Recognition is here. Taking notes can be a pain, but AI-powered voice recognition software can transcribe your meetings and conversations with incredible accuracy. This means you can focus on what's being said instead of frantically trying to write everything down. Plus, you can easily search through your transcripts later on to find the exact information you need. It's like having a personal stenographer, but without the hefty price tag. Chapter 9. Marketing like a pro with AI-powered tools. Marketing can be a complex beast, but AI-powered tools are making it easier than ever to reach your target audience. These advanced technologies are revolutionizing the way businesses approach their marketing strategies. These tools can help you personalize your marketing messages, optimize your ad campaigns, and even automate repetitive tasks. Imagine being able to tailor your content to each individual customer, ensuring that your message resonates on a personal level. AI can analyze vast amounts of data to predict which leads are most likely to convert. This predictive capability allows you to focus your efforts on high-potential prospects, saving time and resources. This means you can get more out of your marketing budget and see a real impact on your bottom line. By leveraging AI, you can allocate your resources more efficiently, ensuring that every dollar spent is maximized for the best possible return on investment. It's like having a whole marketing team at your fingertips. AI tools can assist in everything from content creation to customer segmentation, making your marketing efforts more cohesive and effective. With AI, you can stay ahead of the competition, adapt to market changes swiftly, and continuously improve your strategies based on real-time data insights. Embrace the power of AI in your marketing strategy and watch as your campaigns become more targeted, efficient, and successful. The future of marketing is here, and it's powered by artificial intelligence. Chapter 10. Predicting the future with AI-powered analytics. Okay, maybe not actual fortune-telling, but AI-powered predictive analytics can analyze historical data to identify trends and make predictions about the future. This can be incredibly valuable for businesses looking to optimize their inventory, forecast sales, or even anticipate customer behavior. It's like having a crystal ball, but powered by data instead of magic. So there you have it. 10 AI solutions that can seriously upgrade your work life. From conquering your inbox with smart email management tools that sort, prioritize, and even respond to emails for you, to predicting the future almost with advanced data analytics and trend prediction software, these tools are changing the game. Imagine having the power to foresee market trends and make data-driven decisions with confidence. If you're ready to boost your productivity and work smarter, not harder, AI can help you automate repetitive tasks, streamline your workflow, and even enhance your creative processes. Whether you're a solo entrepreneur or part of a large team, there's an AI solution tailored to your needs. Give these AI solutions a try. You won't regret it. From project management tools that keep your team on track to AI-driven customer service bots that handle inquiries 24/7, the possibilities are endless. Thanks for watching. If you found these AI solutions helpful, don't keep it to yourself. Share this video with your colleagues and friends who might benefit from these game-changing tools. And don't forget to like this video. Your support helps us create more content that can help you stay ahead in the tech world. Follow our channel for more tech tips, tutorials, and reviews. We regularly update our content to bring you the latest in AI and technology. See you next time.